Here I have Motorola Moto E22, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the more modes. No, wait, not more modes. Go to settings, then enable Google Lens here. Like, I guess you have this feature enabled by default, but if you disabled it, you can just go here, enable it. Oh, you have also these scan QR codes. Maybe you don't even need Google Lens. Okay, let's try it without it. And now let's try just scan QR code with camera. Oh wow, and as you can see, it already shows me the page which has been encoded into this QR code. So you just tap on it and it instantly opens in your default browser. Pretty nice. So yeah, that's how I can scan any QR code. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.